Good morning, everyone. So in today's Edpuzzle lesson, we're going to apply what we learned a little bit last week and this week into our Feed the Dingo game. Okay? We know
Spinifex grass,
that the Spinifex grass,
never fail grass, Sturt's desert pea, mulga tree, desert bloodwood tree.
those organisms are all producers. We know that they get their energy from light, so that technically makes them photoautotrophs. Okay? All those organisms are the producers. Okay? But now we have a bunch of different consumers here. The ant, termite, spiny-cheeked honeyeater, thorny devil, red kangaroo, Spinifex hopping mouse, bilby, wedge-tail eagle, and the dingo. It's going to be your job to determine what type of consumer they are. So the ant, based on what it eats, what type of consumer is it? How about the termite? How about the spiny-cheeked honeyeater? The thorny devil? The red kangaroo? The Spinifex hopping mouse? The bilby? The wedged-tail eagle? The dingo. Now that you know what type of consumers they all are, I want you to play through another round of this game. And I want you to consider the following. Can you have a bunch of animals in your ecosystem if they don't have enough, if your ecosystem doesn't have enough plant life? You must have enough plants to support your ecosystem. So my challenge to you, play through again. Make sure you have enough plants before you start adding too many animals. If you do that, you should be able to score in the mid 1000s to low 1100s. Screenshot your score and send it my way in an email.